Hi, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today we're going to talk about a RetraxOne MX on a Nissan Titan. Now this is a new truck, and of course what we've been trying to do with C&H Auto Accessories is we want to show different trucks with different products. For example, I got quite a few videos with the RetraxOne. What I don't have is a video with the RetraxOne on a Nissan Titan. So here's a good look. We're going to kind of go around here, take a good look how it looks on the vehicle. This way, if you're looking to buy a Titan or you have a Titan, you say, you know what, I wonder what that would look like on my vehicle. Here's a really nice shot here so you can see how nice it looks. I do find the RetraxOne one of the better looking covers. I think it has a terrific look. Of course, the most important thing is the function. So let's go over here right now and go over a few things here. For example, here's your opening here. You just push a little button here and you got a nice little handle. And we'll go ahead and open the tailgate as well here. And let's go in here. I'm gonna see if I can open this. Wow, go here. Now, as you see, it's not a lot of work. I'm just kind of using a couple fingers to open it up here. So, now, one thing about the Retrax, and they're kind of one of the only companies that does this, it lets you lock it anywhere along the track. So if you're trying to use the cover to hold something in place, and you don't have to worry about every 6 inches or every 12 inches like other covers, this will lock anywhere along the track, which is really quite nice. Let's go ahead and open it back up, and I want to show you the canister. Now, anytime people buy a rolling cover, what they're always worried about is the space. Do I have enough space in here underneath the canister? And as you can see, that's pretty good. It's not the smallest canister, but it's a good size canister, so it's not too big, not too small. It's right there in the middle, so you do have space underneath it, and you can see the drainage system. Hopefully it's not too dark in there, but there's one on each side. If you notice, we don't put it into the floor. Main reason is if you're putting something in the bed and it's in the floor, it's always going to get hit by something. So putting it off to the side, there's less chances of it getting pulled out of its spot. And if you notice, if you have a Nissan, there's actually pre-made holes by the hooks. We just use the factory holes. Now if you come around here, let's take a look here. As you can see, it locks up very nice, and they do have a nice powder coated metal finish. Now of course the RetraxOne is not completely metal. They do use a polymer in the middle here, which is basically a fancy name for plastic. But it's the same stuff they use in bulletproof glass, so it's pretty darn strong. So it's going to hold 300 pounds, and that's evenly distributed. It does come with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. As you can see, it works very easily. So, and that's the main thing. People buy these covers. They buy the rolling cover for the simple fact is it has to be easy to use. As you can see from just now, it's very easy to use. So this is going to come with a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer. It's going to have a 1-year warranty from me on all the labor. That includes adjustments, stuff like that. If you did have a defect from the factory, which is kind of rare, to be honest with you. I think for the 20 years I've been selling Retrax, I only had one I had to pull out. It was a power one. The motor went bad, and so they sent us a new one. I put in a new one. But basically, the most problems for people lose the key. And it's not really the manufacturer's fault. I keep telling them when I give them the keys, please take the 2 keys, put one in a different spot so you don't lose that key. But that's one of the few things I think go wrong. All in all, it's a very good cover. And again, it's reasonably priced. We're looking at some folding covers, and I thought this one was just a little bit more than a good quality folding cover. And again, as you can see, it looks really nice. And I'm bringing it around here so you can get a good look here. Again, if you like what you see, please hit that like button for our video. You know, we're a small business, and likes and subscribers make a big difference for us. So subscribe to our channel. Of course, if you want to purchase this, we do ship anywhere in the country. Now, of course, you can walk into our showroom over here and do a little shopping if you like, or just order online, whatever is easier for you. I will put a link for this cover at the bottom of the page. So if you say, you know what, I have the same exact vehicle here and I want that cover, you go right at the bottom of the page, hit the link, it'll take you right to our website, and you can make a purchase. Of course, if you feel like calling me, just call me. I'm Chris. Call me at the store. I'll be glad to tell you everything you need to know and help you out with your purchase. Again, this is C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and thank you very much for watching our video. Have a great day.